In this video, I'm going to show you how you can calculate totals on Google Sheets.
For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it.
So if you are wanting to calculate totals on Google Sheets, it's actually quite a simple thing to do. So what I'm going to do in today's video is I'm just going to put a couple of random numbers in this box here, and then once you have got obviously your totals and things like that, and you've put in all the figures you need, all you simply need to do is obviously go to this column, click on equals, and then write sum. Once you write sum, as you can see, it has automatically highlighted these figures right here. So if you just press enter, and then it will obviously put in these numbers, and if you click enter again, as you can see, this number is the sum of all of these. But sometimes you will get a problem where it will not select these automatically. So what you can do is you can click equals sum, and then if you select this one here, what you can do is you can go through and hold control, and you can literally just select all of these here, and then what that will do is it will add them down in this box. And then again, if you click enter, as you can see, this is now the total of all of these figures right here and all of these numbers. So that's how you can go ahead and calculate totals in Google Sheets.